Hello guys, in today's video we're going to learn how to install Visual Studio Code on our Windows machine. First of all, go to your favorite browser and type google.com. Go to the search bar and search Visual Studio Code. Click on it and select the first one, which is code.visualstudio.com, and click on download for Windows and click on save. So the application, the Visual Studio Code is downloading. Download is complete. Click on it. Accept the terms. Click on next. So the application will be saved under the program setting. If you don't have any reason to change it, leave it the same way. Click on next. Click on next. So if you want to create a desktop icon, you can click on the desktop icon. If you want to add open with code action on Windows Explorer file contents, you can click on it. I will click on it too. If you want to open the code with action Explorer directly contents, you should click on it too. So I'll click on all of it. So I'll click next, then we'll click install. So our application is getting installed. It will take few seconds. So you click finish and it's going to launch our application. This is how you install Visual Studio Code into your machine. And if you're using it for the first time, you can create a file, can create a new window, you can open a folder and other stuff. Basically, this is how you install Visual Studio on your Windows machine. Thank you for watching and keep learning.